Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. I continue a series of short videos for beginners where I tell the basic moment in Cricut design space. Let's talk about flatten now. We can use flatten when we want to print the whole image and just make one cut around the exterior outline of the combined image. Most of all, I use flatten when create stickers. Using it, example, I will show how the flatten function works. To see the difference, I duplicate the objects. When the layers are all selected, we click flatten. And then we can see that image is flattened now, while our other stickers has 3 separate layers. Now let's check how our stickers will place on the mat. This is how our first sticker looks like. All parts are separate. And it's our flattened sticker. It's ready to print and then cut it out. Now let's talk about unflatten. We can use it anytime to separate previously flattened layers, even after saving our project. As you can see, our layers are separate again. And the last moment about flatten. After using flatten, the individual layers are no longer editable. This means that you cannot change the color, size, font of any of the component layers of the flattened design. On this I will finish. I have a separate playlist where you can find similar useful videos for beginners. I hope this was helpful for you. And thank you for watching.